the mic for the title, please? Everybody?
Sa aking mga kabata, ni Dr. Jose Rizal.
Kapag ang bahay si John Putili, siya lang ang salitang kalooban namin. Sa lang kalayaan, hindi rin sa akin, katulad ang mga salita ay
Pagkat ang salita ay isang kahulugan sa bayan sa ngayon o kaharian. At ang isang tao katulad kabagay ang tanggalin maglikha noong kanilaan. Hindi magmahal sa kanyang salita, higit sa halapat isang. Kaya malapit pag-imanin ko sa tulad sa ilang punay ng nagpano.
Wikang Tagalog, tulad din sa Latin, sa English, Kastila, at sa Lutang.
Wala po ang mga anak sa tingin. Siya nagkakaon ng bigay sa akin.
Salitaan natin tulad din sa iba na may alfabeto at sariling letra na kaya na wala ay pinaglaan ng siwa ang lunday sa lawa ng dakong una.
Okay, it's my turn. I am the homeroom of grade 4 Laurel. All the teachers say that I always spoil my class. But how can I not? Look at them. They're so awesome. Did you hear them sing? Iiyak na po ako kanina eh. Okay, I decided to give the Lauros the award named after the books that they read for my class. May book reports po kasi sila sa akin. Okay. First, Lumito Ate read Boy by Roald Dahl. And like Roald Dahl's boyhood experiences, Luito's Tales to School is exciting and fun, mainly because he is the favorite of all.
Yes.
Lumito Ate. Next is Nathan Agustin, who read The Iron Giant. Next is Tracy Carion. Tracy Carion gets the Louisa May Alcott Award for reading all the books of Louisa May Alcott and exuding all the qualities that women will have, and she will be a very good woman when she grows up. Thank you very much, Tracy. Next is Daniel Carlos, the Charlie and the Chocolate Factory Award by Roald Dahl. Daniel, like Charlie, will not stop until he has conveyed his message, regardless if it's a teacher, a classmate, or the bride. Next is the King Arthur Award. He chose this book himself. As the young Next is the Arthur Award for Daniela Abenujar. Arthur, even though a boy, exudes the same qualities as Daniela: fun, playful, and we always know when Daniela is not in school, but she's never not in school. She's always in school, and the favorite of all the girls, Daniela Abenujar. Next is the Prince Caspian Award. Pinakamagaling kumanta kanina. Goes to Kyle Pinumbayan for being valiant with all the classmates in school. Next is the Little Prince Award. It goes to